Hello and Nyajong to each and every one of you. In today's video, I want to show you all how my grandma in Thailand likes to make Mov Txuam Puab. And Mov Txuam Puab is basically just sticky rice wrapped in any type of edible leaf, boiled, and then it's eaten as a snack or perfect on a road trip to pair it with any type of protein. So my boo, which is my grandma here in the States, already showed you her version of Mov Txuam Puab, but today I wanted to show you how my grandma in Thailand, my Thai, likes to make Mov Txuam Puab. So with that being said, let's just get to it and have her show you her version today. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is to gather and clean the leaves that you want to use to wrap the rice. So today my grandma has been collecting some what we like to call in the Hmong dialect as plong jae, and these are going to be used to wrap the sticky rice. Now you can actually use any type of edible leaves that you want. My grandma here in the States used banana leaves, so you can definitely use banana leaves since they are more easily accessible. Just make sure you clean it really well before you use it. And then to fill it, my grandma will be using sticky rice. This is Mov Txuam Puab, which is brand new rice that they have harvested this year, and it is the sticky rice version. So I recommend using any kind of sweet rice or sticky rice to fill it so that it can actually cook better and hold its shape. So to start, my grandma's trimming off the bottom part here because it's a little bit tough. So this way it's easier for her to roll and wrap the rice. After trimming off the leaves, she is gathering some strings to help tie the rice all together. So it is time to fill. She is adding about roughly a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of sticky rice right into the center.
Fresh, nothing mixed. No, go hello and I'm clear.
Do you know blonde, no?
Blonde. You know, or exactly like the year her pool to order she other some blonde. Like some blonde.
And here we have it. Now, if you find a technique that works for you in terms of wrapping it and tying it, definitely do it your style. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to continue wrapping up the rest of the leaves here, and after that, we'll start cooking it. So after all of these have been filled and wrapped up nicely like this, we're going to place it into a pretty big pot. And then add in water to cover. Go ahead and place the lid on top and allow this to cook for at least 1 hour to an hour and a half, or until the center of the rice is fully cooked. Just keep an eye on the water level. Make sure you add more water if you notice that it has evaporated a lot. After it's cooked, go ahead and drain the water and allow this to cool before you consume it. And here we have it. This is all of the Mong Txuam Puab that we made. We are going to be keeping this in the fridge, and you can microwave or heat it up or steam it to eat it again. So let me go ahead and open it up so all of you can see what it looks like inside. So since we made quite a lot, we took some on the road and we stopped for lunch, and I had this with some fresh fried chicken. Other than that, I hope you enjoy seeing this video. Until then, I will see you in my next video.
13 hours. Yes.